Have a look. As you can see, my under eye like sunkenness completely gone, and just the smile lines is basically still there. So I'm gonna get that treated today.
이쪽에 지금 눈 밑이 살짝 좀 꺼지셨고 줄이 좀 약간 보이기 시작하거든요.
네.
여기 이렇게 예전에는 이제 필러를 많이 사용했었는데 이제 필러 시술을 하다 보면 눈밑 같은 경우에는 약간 어색하게 들고 내 피부에 있는 콜라겐을 잘 키워주는, 잘 살려주는 그런 시술을 많이 하거든요. 콜라겐 부스터는 처음엔 채워지는데 이제 물 성분이 일단 빠져버리기 때문에 그 필러처럼 잘 안 올 거예요. 3주에 걸쳐서 한 3회 정도 시술을 하시고 나면 한 1개월에서 2개월 후로부터 효과가 나타나기 시작해서 6개월이나 한 1년 정도로 보실 수가 있는데, 만약에 필요한 경우에는 중간에 한 번씩 좀 추가 수술을 받으실 수도 있으세요.
Thank you so much, doctor.
네. 자, 먼저 디자인을 좀 하겠습니다.
So he's gonna do the design now?
대략적인 위치에 들어갈 거고, 이 시술은 주사바늘로 하는 게 아니고 캐뉼라 시술이에요. 끝이 뭉툭한.
So they're using a canola instead of like a typical knee.
그래서 국소 마취를 하고 이렇게 시술이.
You don't feel a thing after the local anesthesia.
먼저 하겠습니다. 눈 떠보세요.
Not painful at all. Bearable? Good.
Okay, so we're all done with the treatment. How was the whole experience?
It was quite interesting. When they put the local anesthesia in, that's like the only painful part. After that, you really don't feel much pain. You only feel that something gets into your body, which is the canola. But yeah, it was great. It was really quick compared to filler. The doctor said that there is no skin laxity, which is one of the side effects. So yeah, happy and can't wait for the results. Second session of collagen booster for smile line. So the doctor explained that for the under eye, I don't need another session right now for collagen booster. Even though 3 weeks have passed, there is no need, and it always differs between case by case. But we will go and have a look at the smile line. So this will be the second session, guys. Have a look. As you can see, my under eye like sunkenness completely gone, and just the under eye smile lines is basically still there. So I'm gonna get that treated today. Hi, I'm here at Amoa Skin Clinic, and I got a second session of Smile Line Collagen Booster. As you can see, I got some plasters going on here, and it's a little bit swollen right now. One session helped already. In case you're staying longer in Korea, it is highly recommended for this treatment to get at least 2 sessions. After 3 sessions, with 3 to 4 weeks apart, to see basically better results and longer lasting results. For me, why I did the treatment is because I want to prevent getting fillers anytime soon or any kind of surgery to get rid of the smile line. I do recommend it for anyone who already has basically some smile lines and wants to prevent for it to get any worse and just to have like a natural, more youthful look and anti-aging in a natural kind of way.